BMW just dropped the most extreme version of the 2 Series yet, the 2026 M2 CS. With 523 horsepower and a price tag knocking on the $100,000 door, is this the ultimate M car, or just expensive hype? Let's find out. Under the hood is BMW's 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, the S58, now pushing out 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. That's 50 more horses than the standard M2, and the most ever in a 2 Series. With the 8-speed auto, BMW claims 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds, but in reality, it'll likely be quicker. Top speed? A wild 188 miles per hour. That's supercar territory for something this compact. BMW trimmed 97 pounds from the standard M2 by going hardcore with carbon fiber reinforced plastic, including the hood, roof, and even the entire trunk lid. Forged alloy wheels come standard, and the suspension is tuned for serious track action. It's still rear-wheel drive, it's still balanced like a true M car, and now it's more focused than ever. It's still rear-wheel drive, it's still balanced like a true M car, and now it's more focused than ever. Inside, you get M carbon bucket seats with light-up CS logos, ready for a race harness if you're hitting the circuit. The rear seat? Gone. The goal here is performance above all. It runs BMW's operating system 8.5, has a head-up display. Visually, the CS gets its own aggressive rear diffuser, a ducktail spoiler, unique badges, and 4 color choices. Velvet blue stands out, if you're willing to pay $3,600 extra. The price? $99,775 including destination. That's nearly $30,000 more than the regular M2, and a massive step up from the previous M2 CS's $84,000 sticker. Is it worth it? We'll have to wait for the full drive review, but one thing's for sure, the 2026 BMW M2 CS is the most powerful, most track-ready, and most expensive 2 Series ever. What do you think? Is the M2 CS a future classic or overpriced hype? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cutting-edge car reviews, only here on DRX AUTOMOBI.